Hey, what's up Tube? Wellington here and welcome to another sound battle where we let speakers speak for themselves. In the battlefield, today we have the JBL Charge 3 going up against its bigger, newer brother, the JBL Xtreme 2, a video that a lot of you have requested, so here we go. And if you're a passerby, please consider subscribing. I swear I won't charge you for it, but I will bring you new content. Anyways, in this battle, I'll be using a high quality binaural microphone, so for the best experience, please use headphones. With that said, let's hear the speakers speak.
Something to say, you should hear it all. I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.
Okay, so surprisingly, the Xtreme 2, if not plugged in, It's about as loud as the Charge 3. Yup, you heard me right. The Xtreme 2 playing at maximum volume is about as loud as the Charge 3 if it's not plugged in. What the heck, JBL? For those who don't know yet, when the Xtreme 2 is plugged in, it has a higher power output than when it's running off of the battery, like portable. And this power reduction during the battery usage is compensated by cutting down how loud the speaker can get by about 3 dB. And I personally think this is the worst thing that JBL could have done with this speaker, which is accessing a very popular Xtreme. I don't know what they were thinking, but I'm hoping that one of these days we get a firmware update which fixes this, because it's just ridiculous. The Xtreme 2 being about as loud as the Charge 3 is, I don't understand it. Anyways, at least the bass performance of the Xtreme 2 is way better than that of the Charge 3. Where the Charge 3 is spitting out upper bass, the Xtreme 2 is actually giving you some real deep bass. In general, the difference is not by much, but the Xtreme 2 sounds better than the Charge 3. Think of the Xtreme as an expansion or a blown up version of the Charge 3. They are both good speakers, but the Xtreme 2 is just a little bit better than the Charge 3. So if you are looking for the biggest sound and better bass, the Xtreme 2 is your guy here. But if you're looking for something smaller and a little bit more portable but still sounds good, then the Charge 3 is actually not bad. Do you agree? Leave me your thoughts down below and hit that like button if you liked the video. And if you decide to pick up one of these, please use the links down below. It helps out the channel and gives you an up-to-date pricing on these speakers. They might even be on sale. So use those links down below, please. To all my subscribers, thanks a lot for your support. You guys rock. I do appreciate you guys a lot for always coming back and checking out my videos every time I put them out. I appreciate your comments down below, and I thank you guys very much for participating in the poll that I tried out. I think last week, might be this week. I don't remember what day I did it, but I really appreciate you guys' participation and always coming back to the channel. Thank you very much. If you're not a subscriber, please join the community. Join this awesome community. Thanks for watching again. I love you all, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.